The following frequency distribution table shows the scores of 300 students in a summative test in English. Calculate the 7th decile and explain what it means and show complete solution. So this is the table. So this is the scores and the frequency here. So let's say the score of 45, there are 7 of them who got the score of 45, and 50, there are 12 students who got a 50, and 36 who got 55, 73 who got 60, and there are 66 students who got 65, and 47 students who got a 70 score, and 35 students got 75, 16, 80, and then there are only 8 students who got 85. So they said that there are 300 students, so let's double check that. So there should be, if we add the frequency, we should get 300. So 7 plus 12, just double check, plus 36, plus 73, plus 66, plus 47, plus 35, plus 16, plus 8. So 300 total. So that's correct. So now let's compute for the 7th decile. So let's write down the formula first. D of k is k times n plus 1 and all over 10. So the D of 7 is 7 times n. N is the number of data, and they told us it's 300. Now plus 1, and this is all over 10. So we have 7 times 300 plus 1 is 301, all over 10. Then we multiply 7 times 301. It's 2107. And this is all over 10. Then we divide 10. It's 210.7. Since this is decimal and there's no data that is 210.7, we need to round off this to 211. So now we have to find what scores that is in 211 place value. So now this is in frequency. So, and there are 300 students. So if we list all of them, we're gonna take a lot of time. So I'm going to do is to count in the frequency. We're looking for the 211 score. So in here there are 7 of them. So let's do it in the frequency. So here there are 7 of them at 45, and then at 50 there are 12, and then 36, and then at 60 there are 73 students, and then at 65 there are 66 students. At 70 there are 47 students. Now let's see if we get to 211th place. So let's add 7 plus 12 plus 36 plus 73 plus 66. Now I stop right here and we're at 194 place. So we need to add 47 plus 47, and it's 241. So now we are looking for 211, and so if we stop at 60 here, 66, there are 194. This is place 194. So if we go to 211, we need to add some more here. So this is scores 70, there are 47 students, so 200, this is 241. So that means that 211th place is in this area, this table, 70 scores. So D of 7 is at 211th place, which is at 770. So the 7th decile is the 211th place, so we calculated that, which is 70, and this means that 70% of the 300 students got a score of 70 or less. So these are the scores 70 or less. Now if you do not understand my method, you can write down all these scores and then you count up to 211. So when you get to 211th score, then you will find that that score is 70. But there's a lot of numbers that you have to you count. So